इधर देखो बेटा, क्वेश्चन 1 क्या था? क्वेश्चन 1 is that we have read in class 9th remainder theorem. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Where this is the condition, we see that remainder has x with it. That is example here. When we divide p of x by g of x, we get 7x minus 9. That is remainder. That is called as r of x. That is called as. And when it becomes r of x becomes x power 0, x power 0, that means r into 1, anything raised to power 0, x power 0 is equal to 1, is this becomes g of x into q of x plus r, only r, constant value that has been calculated here. This is remainder 8. Remainder. Now the question second is where we also prove that anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. How it is equal to it? How is it equal to 1? We say that x by x is equal to 1 or 5 by 5 equal to 1. In this form, this can be written as x power 1 divided by x power 1, that is in the lower classes, equal to 1. So in when the bases are same, in division powers get subtracted. We write here x 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 हो गया 0. X power 0 is equal to 1. Hence we proved anything raised power 0 equal to. Now the second question is, ये कहता है कि क्वेश्चन क्या है, हमें चेक करना है कि whether first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. Factor of, यहाँ पर p of x और g of x इसमें है नहीं. अब इसने सीधे कहा कि आप फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल चेक करो कि फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं. इसका मतलब हो गया तब तो ये बन गया g of x. क्या बन गया? ये वाला क्या है? सेकंड को डिवाइड करना है. इट इज p of x. When the remainder becomes, when we divide it as such, we have divided in the question number 1. When remainder at last, remainder is 1, is 0, equal to 0. We write first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. Or g of x is factor of p of x. So where it has not written p of x or g of x, we make it by ourselves. We can divide it as such. We write when the remainder becomes 0, when g of x will divide p of x, when g of x will divide, as we have divided in question 1, when the remainder becomes 0, at last when the remainder is 0, then we say that g of x is factor of p of x. That you can do at home. Okay?